To say today is one of those days where you just go, this is why we bought this place. It's just crystal clear blue sky, some stuff growing, stuff really coming into spring has sprung, the house is starting to take shape, pool's there. So's the Portaloo. Some bits and pieces. But those trees are what did it. Especially for Caroline. She imagined cows lying under the trees. And yeah, still a bit to go on the house. Probably another few weeks before we can move in, but that was the thing. 100 and something year old fig trees, and underneath the fig trees, well, nearly underneath the fig trees, no, underneath the fig trees are the cows, just having an afternoon snooze. And yeah, just a spectacular piece of land, really. We are so lucky. I've got fertiliser still to go down in one of the paddocks. It's gone down in one of the others. Not one of the others, in the other one. Poinciana hopefully on its way to turning into a magnificent red soon. Another big fig. Trying to reclaim this piece of land here so that we can have a driveway down to, hopefully there will be some more accommodation there when we can afford it. Lucky peeps. This is will be the driveway to the accommodation. It will be where the fairy bells were, in keeping of course. Starting to build this bit up, and I'm a bit chuffed with this bit here because where you can see the bright green line, I'd allowed all of the grasses to just run wild and come up here, so I'm just getting on top of that, and it's going to look pretty good, I think, when it's all done. So yeah, the other paddock, hopefully the fertiliser is starting to kick in. We had some really good rain this week, and now it's blazing sunshine, so you couldn't ask for much more than that. Yeah, and we walk back down the driveway. Still called Camper Santa at the moment. What will it be called in the future? We don't know. That's the other side of the fig. Trying to get some Aggies to grow around it. This one needs to be, still needs to be brush cutted and slashed again. It's a never ending story, as they say. There's the cows down at the trough. The big entrance to the shed with the trusty old Kluger, looking definitely worse for the wears these days, but she still keeps going. Big mango tree, gardens, and then the house slowly taking, well, the remodeled house I suppose, slowly it's taking shape. It's going to be a long video, which I hope I can get on YouTube for anybody who would like to see it. Lots of plank stones. It was so muddy and slippy. I went base over apex on this earlier on in the week, and when you get this mud on your clothes, as glorious as it is, it just stains you with the ochre, just stains. So the deck you can't really see because they've covered it up so it doesn't get all muddy, but we've got the new big doors in Now on the window out that side, you can see they've done a spectacular job on the deck there. This beautiful wood, and you've got this magnificent view over what will be the pool. Well, it is a pool. A bit chaotic in here, but that's going to be first hints of what the view will be out of the window. And then a big sliding door out onto the deck, and there'll be stairs down to the pool. But that's it. Lucky people that we are.